The pre-open has settled, and just look at how the markets moved. 148 higher on the Nifty, and the Bank Nifty is opening full 1% higher, 400 points higher on the Bank Nifty. That's been the strongest component of the market. The go-to place has been at all-time high as well. So Darshan, if we open here, do you trade the index, and what's your 9-10 call?
I would like to buy, but we have to wait patiently for a dip or a consolidation. We can't buy at the open. And the 9-10 call is Granules is a buy with a stop under 311.
Okay, so Darshan, thanks a lot. Have a good day. Mitesh, your 9-10 call?
Yeah. So Anuj, I'll also go with a buy call. That will be a buy on HUL with a stop around 25.54 for targets of 26.30.
Okay, well, let's do one thing. Let's talk about the NBFC space now. Just before the market opens, sources tell CNBC-TV18 that the Reserve Bank is currently not looking at allowing NBFCs to issue credit cards. Why is that? Latha has all the details. Latha, over to you.
Well, the fact of the matter is that the Reserve Bank is not considering this at the moment. Sources close to the central bank told us, and I'm quoting verbatim, this issue is not on the table right now. Now, it becomes important to clarify this because there has been market speculation that very strong NBFCs like Bajaj Finance may be allowed to issue their own credit cards. You know, at the moment, they are allowed to distribute credit cards of other banks like Bajaj Finance distributes RBI and DBS, but they distribute that only into the top metros, whereas Bajaj Finance lends in a lot of tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 companies. So if they're allowed to issue credit cards, they can really mine that depth. But it is not on the table. Now, the reason why the speculation in the minds of investors came in was because Reserve Bank issued a fresh set of master rules on credit cards on April 21st. And there, in that was a sentence, without the prior approval of the Reserve Bank, NBFCs shall not issue debit cards, credit cards, charge cards, either physically or virtually. Now, this gave the impression that with the prior approval, it is possible. However, when we asked these sources, they said it is a complete reiteration, a cut-paste of a rule that already existed, and nothing has changed, nothing fresh is on the table.
Okay, nothing fresh is on the table. Latha, thanks a lot for that.